Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity and welcome to another palette bingo. I have been wanting to do one of these for a while now. I originally did one with Samantha March several months ago and that's the first one on my channel. This is definitely something I'd like to do on a more consistent basis, but it's taken me till now to actually do another one. And today I'm going to be using the new to me, Juvia's Place, the Magic Mini. This was actually sent to me by a subscriber, Crystal. I am so very thankful. She said she was not going to get use out of it and she wanted to know if I had it in my collection, and when I told her I didn't, she was like, can I send it to you? And it felt so weird, but I just let her know that she could send it to me and I'm really excited to have it. This is definitely a palette I have eyed on the Ulta website before, namely for this green and then this gold shade right here. So pretty. So anyway, she sent it to me right before I went on my trip. I have been itching to try it out and now is my chance. And I shared it on my Instagram when I received the palette, and Dolly Mama Beauty here on YouTube reached out to me and said, you know, I have the same palette. Do you want to do a palette bingo? And I was like, yes, I would love to. That'd be awesome. That'd be a great way to kind of test the waters of this palette and see what I can come up with, because there's a bunch of colors in here and I can't wait to see what a palette bingo will bring. If you hear any noises, Olivia's down here doing some little school and sticker workbooks, so you might hear a little bit of rustling and whatnot, a little bit of talking, but yeah, she is here with me because we were filming this in the morning. Gideon is down for a nap. It is super cloudy. Of course, I was almost going to record these yesterday and then I decided to wait till today, and yesterday was beautiful and sunny and today is cloudy and overcast, So yeah, I am doing this video in collaboration with Dolly Mama Beauty. I will have her video linked down below. Definitely go check her out after you finish watching this video and see what color combo she came up with. So let's just jump right into it and choose the colors. Alright, so there are 16 colors in this palette, and I'm just putting it into random.org. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but we're going to be picking 5 colors, and those 5 colors are the only things we can use in our eye makeup list. Alright, so I think you guys can see this. Let's 1 to 16 and generate the first number. 15 is, oh my goodness, I'm so excited, 15. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, and 16. So 15 is the green shade. So let's just swatch that up here so I don't forget. Not that I'm going to forget this beautiful color, but we get to use that color. Alright, so that is the first shade. I'm super excited. Let's pick another one. 2. Ooh, I'm happy for this. I know I'm holding it upside down. It's just kind of out of habit because it usually has a mirror. But this is, you know, 1 is kind of where I'm going from. So 2 is this beautiful kind of, I don't know, rusty orange brown? I don't know what it... Uh-oh, I'll help you. I'm not sure what that color is, but it's gorgeous. Okay, so far, loving the first 2 that I picked. Let's generate another number. We have number 11. I think you guys can see this pretty darn well. Let's see, we got 4, 8, 12, 11. Oh, the gray. I am so not a gray person, but we are going to incorporate this gray in there some way, somehow. This should be interesting. 2 more colors. Let me clean up my hand. 2 more colors. Making sure we're staying in frame. We have 5. Ooh. So 5 right here. This pretty pinky shade. That's a nice color. I really hope I get 1 more matte to work with. Kind of getting nervous here. Ah, that pink totally doesn't go. Let's see how this goes. Okay, last color. 3. 1, 2, 3. Another pink. This is not. This is interesting.
Now what?
That's exactly what I'm asking. Now what? Okay, so these last 3 are really throwing me off. I was getting super excited up here. And these 3, not really sure. I definitely will use this on the inner corner. Or yeah, on like the inner corner highlight. Maybe I should use this all over the lid. Maybe I could just do a very pink lower lash line. I feel like that would make me look sick. Okay, I think I'm going to try, we're gonna try something. Now that I have this combo, that orange is really throwing me off. Let's just zoom in and get going. I really don't know where I'm going with this, so it should be interesting. All right, so I'm just going to prime my eyes real quick, get my mirror all set up, and I'm gonna prime and then also put down the Makeup Revolution concealer. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take that orange shade right here. It's called Sakaya. probably butchering that. I'm gonna try to take it very lightly and put it in my crease, since that is my one and only matte shade to work with. So yeah, I just want to put it lightly. I'm not, as much as I love that orange, I don't want it to show up too orangey because I feel like it doesn't really go with all the pinks in the look, so I'm wanting it to keep it pretty light. I think I'm gonna go next with the green, which is Buzzo in the palette. Whoops. And I'm going to stick it in the center. I think I'm gonna stick it in the center and put it towards the outer corner too. Alright, so then I'm just taking the tip of that and trying to blend it out a little bit, shear it out, and mesh it up with the orange. Now I'm going to take another shade, or another flat shader brush, and I'm going to go in with that first pink shade we picked up, and it was the shade Zuba, this one right there. And I'm going to put that on the rest of the lid and bleed it into the middle, and I'm hoping that the pink over the green makes a pretty kind of ombre for the two. Definitely don't typically think pink to green, but so then I'm tapping whatever's left of that pink shade onto the middle.
Oh my god.
I'll pick it up to hopefully kind of transition the two and make like a unique combo in the middle there. What do you guys think? Okay, so when I was mixing the two colors kind of combined it there and turned the pink to almost like a silvery pink or a bronze, I don't even know, champagne pink. Light pink I think is gonna be really pretty as an inner corner highlight. Maybe that's a cop out, but that's how I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna go ahead and pause and go back to that Zakaya, the orange shade, and put more in to blend it. I don't like where the green stops. If you have like hooded eyes like me and they don't match, one thing I always make sure to do when I'm doing my eyes is I kind of relax and look straight ahead to make sure that my crease shade on this eye and this eye kind of look like they match, because like right now you can't see much of my crease shade here. So I tend to, when I do my eyes, I bring the crease shade on this side, at least I attempt to, and I bring it higher. So then it looks like they match a little more. Okay, so now for this steel shade, what was it called? Vi shade right here. I want to use that on my lower lash line. I feel like that's a bit of a cop out, but I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna do it before my makeup because this is a shimmer, and I feel like it might like get all over my foundation if I did it afterwards. So I'll blend it out, and I can always touch it up if I go over it and hide it too much with my concealer. You almost can't see it on camera. All right, and then I want to take a bit of the green, the Buzzo. I'm just gonna take it and add a little bit on the outer edge to try to mesh the two. This is a look I definitely think needs some liner help to kind of pull it all together. Okay, let's go ahead and put the last one on, and then we'll do some liner and see if that helps any. I'm just gonna take that Oh Sun, ooh, it's very soft, that pinky shade, popping it right here. Oh my goodness, it almost looks more intense than the Zuba, and I thought it'd be the other way around. Huh. I'm gonna actually carry it up onto my lid since it's such a pretty pink. It's extremely soft, but look at that. Ooh, it's a pretty inner corner highlight. Okay, I am going to finish the rest of my face, do liner and mascara, and then we'll come back and see if there's anything else I can do to help this look out. Wish me luck. All right, so back again. Definitely doing the whole face kind of makes it look a little bit better, but I think it still looks like I tried to get a little too creative. Tried a little too hard to be creative with my eyes today, but oh well, we're just going to rock it like we meant it. So I just want to go back in. Let's see, I'm gonna first go back in with the green. I just want to kind of touch up. See if that helps anything. Just touch up the green a little bit and bring it a little bit more on both sides. That's what I tend to do with any look after I'm done. It always helps when you have your whole face done. So I do my eyes the best I can, and then I do the rest of my face and come back going with the orange. That one goes in the sky next to the other clouds. And then I can kind of see what needs to be added, what needs a little help, etc. And I definitely feel like the blend here could be a bit better. I'm just going to take a clean brush and try to buff out underneath the brow, since I can't put anything there because we didn't draw a brow bone shade. I just want to blend it so it's not a harsh line. Okay, so going back into the pink shade that we put on the lid, that shade there, I'm just going to put that on. Once again, very gently blend it like that. I feel like I probably should have done a halo eye instead. As soon as I touched down on the green on my eye, I was like, ooh. Should have probably done a halo eye and did the green on the outer corners and then the pink in the middle. Oh well. What you gonna do? And then going back in just to retouch, I definitely lost a bit of that inner corner highlighter on my lower lash line when I did my concealer. Going into the gray, definitely want to try to amp this up a bit so it looks a little more obvious. So I'm using pressing motions. Worst part about putting metallic shadows on your lower lash line, I feel like I always get it in my eye. Okay, I'm just going to end with a little bit of mascara, and I think I am ready for my Walmart run. Oh, I need to do lipstick. Okay, hang on. I'm going to try Strapless. This is a Stay Matte, right? Stay Matte from Rimmel. It's pretty much my lip color. But with the pink in the eyes, I feel like it doesn't look, you know, it looks pretty good. Alright, so here's the look I came up with using these shades right here. I know I have a mess going on. This is how, anytime I do my makeup, this is how my arm turns out. But these are all the shades we had to work with. This is what I came up with. I'm definitely going to try to play around with my lighting and try to put in some close-up shots here with the best lighting, because I feel like I'm a little warm right now and washed out, but cloudy weather, hooray. This look definitely turned out a little different than I expected or was hoping, but that is the fun of palette bingos, and it's definitely something I hope to do at least every couple months, or you know, at least regularly on my channel, because I really do enjoy them. They're just fun to play with a new palette and kind of have no control over the colors you use. I did want to also mention that most of the stuff I used on my face today, I actually purchased because I was gifted an Ulta gift card by one of you guys, a subscriber of mine, Jennifer. She sent it to me a couple months ago. I was blown away, but it was because of her that I picked out some products that I've been eyeing at Ulta for a very long time. A couple of things I used on my face, or just I used from that gift card that she gave me, was the Catrice foundation that I hear everyone raving about. The Smashbox Cali contour palette is something I purchased because I got that gift card. I bought the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow product, which I'm actually not using in my brows, but I did buy that because I've always been eyeing it, and I used her gift card to purchase it. My liner is the NYX liquid liner, and I purchased that because I was running low, so I used her gift card to purchase a backup. So I just want to give a really quick shout out to Jennifer. Thank you so much. I hope you guys never feel like you have to give me anything, or especially like Crystal, you don't have to send me anything. I just appreciate you guys commenting. Like, that is just so special to me that you guys watch my videos and comment. But I am so very appreciative to both these ladies for just gifting me with these palettes and then the gift card. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video. Make sure you go check out Dolly Mama Beauty's video. She is doing, as I said, a palette bingo with the same palette. So if you want to see what look she came out with, definitely go check out. I'll leave her video link down below. I've already seen the look she got, and it is gorgeous, so I can't wait for you guys to see it as well. This is a look I created. Definitely not one of my favorite looks, but let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you would have done differently, where you would have put the gray and the pink and the green and the orange and all those colors. I would love to hear how you guys would have done it on your eyes instead. But anyway, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. You want to stand up and say bye?
Yeah.
Okay. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.